So what we've seen happen to Dogecoin in the last 7 days has been nothing short of amazing. In fact, here's a better look at it right here. 8 days from that point to that point, Dogecoin has gone up 177%. To put that in perspective, if you'd put $1,000 into Dogecoin 8 days and 6 hours ago, you would have made a profit of $1,774. That's how big of a deal this is. By the way, that was my trading indicator that gave that buy alert right there. Okay. And it hasn't given a sell order yet. So if you're interested, links in the description below or above me over on X. It's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee. It helps you know when perfect time to buy, sell, lock in those profits. Okay. Check it out. So here's what I want to share with you. I want something to not happen to you. I don't want you to get caught. I don't want you to get in trouble with your Dogecoin. And I made a couple other videos about this today on some other coins, but I wanted to specifically talk to you guys as fellow Dogecoin holders. I want you to make as much money as possible, and I want you to lock in those profits, and I want you to have a plan. Here's what it comes down to. Real simple. It's going to be less than 3-4 minute video. Here's what it comes down to. I'm going to ask you some questions. And if you don't know these answers, you need to find them out very quickly, because this is going to help you make even more money in your Dogecoin. And oh, by the way, you can apply this to any other crypto that you own. Okay. Do you know how much Dogecoin you own? Do you know how many tokens you own? And do you know what the cost basis of them is? If you don't, you need to find out. Write it on a piece of paper. Just grab a piece of paper and write it down. Next question. How much profit, ROI, return on investment, do you want to make on your Dogecoin holdings? And the easy way to think about that is, I want to make 50%. I want to make 30%, 100%. Whatever your number is, you need to write that down. And then you need to do some very, very simple math. You need to look at your cost basis and go, okay, I own my Dogecoin at, say, 20 cents, just for discussion's sake. It's when you bought it. A lot of you guys bought it a lot earlier than that. I did. Okay, I own my Dogecoin at 20 cents. Well, then you need to figure out, okay, if I want to make 30% on that, then go 20 cents. What point do I need to sell it? You would have already sold it in this example because we're way past 20 cents, but you get my point. Then you have, guess what? Now you have your cost, how much you own, and you have your 30% number in mind. Now you have that number locked in mind, and that is all you need to do. When it hits that number, you sell. You lock in that 30% profit. You put that money in your pocket so that it can help you change your life, change your family's life, send your kid to college, whatever it may be, buy a new car, whatever, invest in something else. Doesn't matter. That's your business, right? Guess what? 95% of the people out there investing in crypto do not do what I just told you to do. They don't. If you do this, it will help you make more money. And guess what this will also do? This little exercise will take all the emotional based fear selling crap off of the table. You will no longer sell out of fear, because you'll be like, I bought it for this, I'm going to sell it for this, and I'm going to stay the course until I hit my 30%, my 50%, my 100%. I realize that this is really, really simple. And a lot of you guys are sitting there going, well, of course we know this, Austin. Okay. Have you done it? Do you know it? I have. Have you? If you have, congratulations. You're in the 5%. You're in the upper echelon. Okay. Good. Because this is why I'm coming down to, like, look, this is what it really is. If you look at what's happening with Doge at 177%, as far as profit, move up, if you will, a lot of you guys are now in profit. A lot of you guys, which awesome, right? This is cool as hell. Okay. I'm just trying to help you, baby, kind of stepping in here, being the voice of reason, the old guy in the room with the old gray hair. This is like your dad wrapping his arm. Hey, son, or daughter, have you done this? Have you thought about this? Right. Because ultimately, we're all here to make money. We're all here to profit from crypto. We all want to make as much profit as possible. And that's the key. But a lot of you guys are flying blind. You're just flying blind. You're just like, well, I bought some Dogecoin. I'm just going to kind of do whatever, and maybe kind of sell it if it's cloudy in the next 4 or 5 days. I don't know, but you get my point. Have a plan. Okay. And then beyond that, guys, I've talked about this in millions of videos. Okay. The best way to get rich in crypto is to be diversified. By the way, don't just be in crypto. Own some stocks, some mutual funds, some bonds, some stocks that yield, not royalties. I completely got a brain fart there. It's old age. What's the word? Drop in the comments below. Dividends. Thank you. Oh my God. That word was not there. I could not think of it. Buy some dividend stocks, things of that nature. Okay. Again, not investing advice, right? I want you to crush it. That's what this comes down to. I want you to make as much money as possible on your Dogecoin, on your other cryptos as possible. Just do this simple exercise and you will make more money. And if you want even more help, making a lot more money, try out my software. Bottom line. I mean, 8 days, 177% up. Here's Cardano. Look, this is Cardano. 6 days, 87%. Buy alert right there, right there. The cool thing about the software is it runs on any mobile device, iPhone, Android. It also runs on any computer, anywhere in the world. Oh, and by the way, how'd you like to use it for stocks too? It works on stocks. This is Tesla. Look at this buy alert all the way up right here, 46%. It works on stocks too. Okay. So you have 30 days to try it for free. If you don't like it, give it back. That's fine. Use the discount code. The software costs a little bit more than $1 a day. You spend more than $1 a day on Cokes and sodas and coffee. Invest in yourself, invest in your family, and give yourself the added advantage. The people out there that are really making a lot of money in crypto are using technology. You don't want to use my software because you want to pay me $1 a day. Number one, why would you begrudge me $1 a day? You don't want to use my software. Use somebody's. Give yourself every advantage, because here's what it comes down to. God, I'm going to tell you this, and please hear me. We are sitting at the beginning. We are already in it. But we're at the very beginning of one of the biggest bull runs in crypto that we will ever see in all of our lifetimes. Give yourself every single tool you can. Be smart, have a plan, do everything I've just told you in this video. Use technology like an indicator, use mine, use somebody else's. Doesn't matter to me. Make more money. Make as much money as you possibly can and put more money in the crypto market. If you think you don't have enough in, you don't. Okay. Put more money in the crypto market. Again, not investing advice, but we are here, guys. It is happening. Please, maybe even let this video be a wake-up call, because I want you to crush it. I want you to make so much damn money. You're going to be like, oh my God, I got a lot of money. What am I going to do with it? Because ultimately, that's what it's about, right? I want you to have everything you want. All right. I'll see you.